2, 3, go.
Hey, today we're at the bird feeder right now, and I'm skiing though. You can see I have skis, but I don't really like coat on. So I'm gonna grab some seeds right here, and I'm gonna feed it to the birds.
Feed it to the birds. Feed it to the squirrel. Oh, he's looking at you. Little squirrely squirrel is looking at you. Oh, he's going higher. He's scared of you. You hear him? He's barking at you. All right, little Brock. Welcome to the bird feeder. Here he comes. Oh, got scared again. Whew, look at all these people flying. Beautiful day today. Look at that sun. She's going nice and slow, working on her snow plow. Yep. And they're gonna have some speed demons. Woo. Oh, you got scared.
You know that. Oh, you got scared. I tried.
All right. There's the bird feeder. Brought to you by Brock, the best superstar. What do you have to say, Brock?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.